Okay, in this video we're going to make a stylus out of a mechanical pencil here. Here's the materials we're going to use. Some Scotch tape, the mechanical pencil, X-acto knife, and some scissors. Here's the material we're going to be testing out, and our template for cutting. I'll go over this later. Okay, so the first things you want to do is you want to test the material to make sure it's conductive for this project. What I have here are some packing sleeves from like these two are from like memory sticks. This one was just from like a video adapter cable. So as you can see, take it over here, and just by dragging it across your iPad or screen, you can see it's actually responding. Okay. Once again, not touching the screen, I'm just using the material to test. There we go. When you're doing the test, it's going to act pretty erratic because there's so many points on from the material. It's not reacting as a single digit or finger, but multiple contacts. Once again, we'll try this material. That's just the material by itself. Get out of there. Okay, so you want to test that first, just to make sure it is going to be conductive and works with this project. You can use mylar from like party balloons. Some people have tried like the plastic from potato chip bags. I haven't tried that, but this material works pretty well. It's a little thicker, and it's also semi-transparent, so that helps when you're using it as a stylus. Okay, now for the template, what I've done is I've drawn a small circle, and I've actually traced an outline of my mechanical pencil to, sorry for the shakiness there, to the inside of the circle. Over here I just kind of drew out a little diagram of how you're going to trace this out. You're going to leave like a small gap in the center. You're going to use the X-acto knife to cut these edges here, and if you can, the circle. I use the scissors to kind of trim the circle part, and you want to kind of flare it out on the sides. You don't want to do the entire area so it actually covers the barrel. You need a little strip just so part of the barrel is exposed, so you can attach the Scotch tape to that, and I'll show you that later.